Hello everyone, myself Shilpa from St. Georgia Girls School. Welcome to this video Acid Base and Salt Part 1. On the basis of chemical properties, the substance can be classified as acid, base or salt. Acid. The term acid has its origin from the Latin word acidus, meaning sour. Example, lemon, lemon juice, tomato, vinegar, etc. Acid loses its acidity when it combines with the base. Some of the natural occurring acids are given below. Types of acid. Acid may be classified as organic and inorganic acid. Organic acid, the acid that we get from nature, that occurs naturally. They are called organic acid, as for example citric acid. The acid that are used in laboratory that we get from minerals present in the earth, they are considered as inorganic acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, nitric. Here are some of the examples of organic acid. For example, acids are also been classified as a strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid, the strength of an acid is determined by the amount of hydrogen ion, that is H plus ion, that the acid provides when dissolved in water. Some of the acid when dissolved in water get almost completely dissociate to provide hydrogen ion. These acids are called strong acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. While there are some other acids which when dissolved in water are only incompletely or partially dissociate to give H plus ion or hydrogen ion. These are called weak acid. For example, carbonic acid H2CO3, acetic acid CS3COOH. Acid are also been classified as concentrated and dilute acid. An acid solution may be concentrated or dilute depending upon the amount of the acid present in the solution. Concentrated, an acid is generally used as solution in water. When the solution contains a larger amount of acid and less water, it is said to be concentrated acid. Whereas the dilute solution that contains a smaller amount of acid and large water, that is called as dilute acid. Here are some general properties of acid. For example, acids are sour in taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Acids show acidic property only in the presence of water. When acid combines with water and makes aqueous solution, this aqueous solution conduct electricity. They react with certain metals and evolve hydrogen gas. Base is a substance which in aqueous solution dissociates to give hydroxide ion, that is OH minus ion. Example of base: NaOH sodium hydroxide, KOH potassium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, that is calcium hydroxide. Bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide are soluble in water. Remember, all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Few examples of base: chalk, soap, baking soda. Baking soda, the chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and the chemical formula is NaSCO3. Washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate and the chemical formula is Na2CO3. Some general properties of base. The solution of base in water gives a soapy touch, means the aqueous form of base is slippery in touch. Generally, bases are bitter in taste. When dissolved in water, they produce hydroxide ion in solution. Hydroxide ion means OH minus. Due to the presence of ion, the aqueous solution of bases can also conduct electricity. They turn red litmus paper to blue. Indicator. An acid-base indicator can be defined as a substance that determines whether the given substance is either acidic or base in nature. Natural indicator is a type of indicator that occur naturally. For example, litmus solution, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, colored petal of some flowers such as hydrangea. Litmus solution is a purple dye which is extracted from lichen, a plant belonging to the division of Thallophyta. Here is a chart shows different natural indicator and how does it change its color in different medium. Here is a chart given which shows indicators changing its color in different medium. Olfactory indicator, it is a type of indicator that changes its odor or smell in acidic and basic medium. As for example, onion, vanilla, clove. Another type of indicator is universal indicator. It is a colorless liquid. It is a mixture of several indicators and show different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. How this vary its color with the variation of pH is given below.